I figure I'd do a video on this little jewel. I got this on Amazon. I already opened it, but we're gonna take a look and see how it works and what it is. It's a box.
In a box.
In a box. It's a pruner. It's a electric pruner. I think this is a 5-foot pole that it comes with. Okay. So let's see what's in here. So, and we're gonna go outside to test this out. So it's about 5 feet. Yep, it's about 5 feet. A pruner. It could be used two ways. It could be used as a handheld pruner, or it could be used in a pole. It's made by Scott's, and that's what it comes in the package. The pole and the pruners and the battery and a charger. So, and instructions. You know how I feel about instructions. I read some of the reviews, and there was a person in there that said that when he plugged the machine, and it looks to me like now that problem is fixed. It's the same machine. He said when he plugged this in, it would trigger. Doesn't look to me like it triggers. He said he had it on his leg, open like this. And when he plugged this in, the machine triggered and cut at the inside of his leg. So it, you know, I've already had this open, but I've tried it and I didn't see any problem. It recommends that when you go to charge this thing, you take the battery off and then plug it in. But I've tried it a bunch of different ways, and it won't go on its own. I mean, unless you press the trigger. Never ever put it on you and plug things in, because, you know, and it comes with this hard plastic safety cover, you know. That's pretty good. So that's what I would do. I would put this on every time whenever you're not using it, I would keep that on. Let's go cut some stuff. Pencil. That's pretty good.
Try me, bitch.
Ooh, lava tree. All right, ready? Wow, like butter. So there it is. Maybe we can do one of those over there. Pretty happy with it. It looks like it's gonna do the job. I hate getting out a ladder and going around. I try to keep all the trees low. So it's gonna be great around the kitchen. You know, does a good job. But anyways, this was like 75 bucks on Amazon. It took like 3 days to get here because I use UPS. I hope this helps. I hope this helps. And if you have any pruning to do, it's a great little machine. First, the gun itself, it's pretty easy to use. It's 2 buttons. You press the bottom, grab the handle. So for people that have problems with their hands, older people that can't really squeeze those pruners, you hold it and you press the trigger. That's it. It's not very difficult to do. It's pretty strong, so it'll do, you know, whatever you put in there. As far as, you know, as long as it's the width of the blade, it'll cut it, you know, except for metal or anything like that. But anything that has to do with pruning, it'll do it. The bottom handle, the gun itself, it's easy to do. You know, to put it on here, pretty simple. Folds in. It's got this thing. It goes around it, and it's got a big wing nut. So it's got a big wing nut. So, you know, if you like I said, if you have hand problems, this will definitely be good. Big, you know, big. I don't know what this is called, but you know, easy to do if you have problems with your hands. The back handle, this is the best part. The back handle, the same thing. The only thing I don't like about it is, and this is a safety thing, but you have to push first. You know, you have to push this and then squeeze, because it won't, if you try to squeeze, it won't go. But you have to push this and then squeeze. It's a safety feature, but I kind of don't like it. It might make it a little difficult to do it, you know, if it's above you, but for the most part, it's just an inconvenience, but everything is easy to do. I mean,
Easy to push.
you know, you have. I hope you like this video. I hope it's useful. And if you need one of these, there's a few out there, but this one seems to me to be, for the price, $75. You know, there's some for like $200-300. This one works really good. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more. You know, safety is #1 priority, right? And I'm talking to you, Amazon review guy.